Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Apex Legends error code 0x00000017, error reading the pack file common.rpak, and then with again that error code 0x00000017. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch Steam, and then go to your library, so navigate over to the library tab, and then on the left panel you want to right click on the Apex Legends game and select the properties button, select the local files option on the left side, and then select verify integrity of game files, and give it a moment here, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.